All right, so it's the bottom one.
Yeah, just the bottom one, because I got the key to the top one, but I just got to make sure this bottom one never locks on me again.
All right. There you go.
That's what I need right there. I'll never use that bottom one again.
Now we go over there for the Rekey, right? Let me head over there. Same
I don't
service.
usually go for unloading groceries when I back my car up.
Okay.
It's just nice to know that I have a key that works in it.
So we put it back, and now we got a working key. So now we just put everything back together, and we're done. Try it out. There you go. All set.
Great. I'm in business.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving me a call. Oh yeah, the business cards. Let me. Yeah, thank you. Let me do that. Here you go. I don't know how many you want. Is that fine?
Oh, that's fine, right there.
Alrighty, perfect. Thank you, sir.
You know how to get out of here.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, just, go out either gate you want. You know?
Yeah.
It's easier to go out ours.
Yeah, I'll figure it out. I remember I came through here and then left. Yeah, I'll get out.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, anytime you need me, just give me a call.
I sure
All right.
will.
Thank you. Bye bye.